there's no comparison. This is so much better. It's fixed all my issues. I mean, 10, 11 years injury cycle. It's gone now. Like I feel free. You know, on a daily basis, just for general health. So much better. Like, you know, before, constant stiffness on the right side of my neck, plantar fasciitis, hip pain, used to get a stiff lower back, all those sorts of things. Just every day, all that, constant. You know, never really feeling well.
Mm-hmm.
That's all gone now. So from a general health perspective, catching my breath, way better. And then in terms of doing my sport now, yeah, starting to accelerate and progress to where I want to be, you know, just to hit my personal goals and feel good and perform well, and also just from a mental perspective, not having that injury restraint kind of mindset. Like, you know, before I'd think, oh no, if I go too hard, I'm going to hurt this again, or this is going to go. That element of doubt is removed because all those little niggling symptoms, they're gone. So, and then now when I'm playing my sport and all that sort of thing, they're not occurring. So it's helping with confidence too. You know, it's a complete transformation, like not only physically, but mentally too, especially if you're someone who's been in a long injury cycle, for sure, 100%. Yeah. So beneficial. There's no comparison.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how
people have to try this.
Yeah, I'm happy because your body really progressed, really responded to the training. And I have to say you're one of those people that have, you know, enormous amount of potential, because we just did 12 weeks, just getting started. And your body already really, the glutes and then the core, the feet, they all responded. So
yeah,
really good. Well, I enjoy working with you very much, and you know, and we're going to continue. You said you're going to continue doing the training, so I'm happy.
Yeah, it's never stopping, man. It's embedded now.
Great.
Yeah, for sure. So, but thank you so much. Like you've made such a huge difference. Like your training and what you've discovered in the human body is what's basically set me free. It's incredible, you know. I had my doubts at the start. I'm like, oh, you know, what's this going to do, this and that. But no, now I know. That's what was missing, 100%. And yeah, I recommend it. It's awesome, man. So good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you the most.